to play. Even though it's jail or cemetery, I ain't really gay. Ripperman Ralph, Ripperman Ralph. You and Andy Cap Julian, all you mash up the land. Ripperman Ralph, Ripperman Ralph. You and that thief man Julian, all you mash up the land. Oh, Ripperman, you Ripperman. You and criminal Julian, all you mash up the land.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I want to big up everybody. All my brethren at Trinidad, the big singer. You know me I talk. Miss Alarman, big up yourself. Now, as I move forward, I want to talk about certain things in St. Vincent, because you see, since the first son is tracking me, well, me get really stink and dirty now. Like what them saying at Trinidad, stink and dirty and storm. Let me tell you what you guys are doing to this beautiful island of St. Vincent. Now, we live in 2023, okay? And do you believe that in St. Vincent there is no 24-hour gasoline? So there is not a gas station where you can get 24-hour gas in at the pump. Let me give you guys a scenario. You live on the east side of the island, and then you drive to the windward side. Now, if you don't get gas before 10 p.m, you're screwed. You understand? Usually what you have to do is to buy extra gas by 9 o'clock. Or if you know somebody going out there, you tell them this to buy $40 gas. And that's only enough to move your car. Now, you guys hear what I'm saying? If you get stuck on the road after 10 and you don't have any gas, you get screwed. Now, there's not a 24-hour mini-mart. You understand? There is no central place like a central mall, like a downtown bank. There is no social scene there in terms of, like, you know, you go to Jamaica and you have the restaurants there, and you have people doing their thing. You even have the crab circle with the crab shack people them. In St. Vincent, there is nothing like that in that country. I want to listen to me now. Where is there to go sit down, have a nice dinner, you and your girl or you and your wife, walk down the broadwalk, decide, say, okay, we're gonna do a movie, then we're gonna do a nice night out on town, whether we go to House of Leo or we go to Torrington Park, or, you know what I'm saying, You have passa at the time and them thing there, like how them have boombox. There is nothing like that in St. Vincent. They do not have not one strip club. By 6 o'clock, the whole country is shut down. You understand? And I think the people of St. Vincent is tired of shit like this. Now you have no jet ski, so there is really no tourism, but yet still they're building up hotels. They just built up sandals in St. Vincent and they still haven't paid the local workers them all their money. I'm just telling you the abuse, that's going on to the citizens of this country. In Jamaica, you have mad strip club, you have all club place to them sell them sex toys. Jamaica is really, when I look back at the Caribbean, Jamaica is really like foreign. I'm not saying it's a good thing, because I don't want to sound contrary, but all I'm saying is that you could see where people in Jamaica are moving forward, and it's not like back in the 70s where the government had a clampdown on everything. People are getting richer, people starting up their business, making their own income. When you're in Jamaica, you see some big houses that people start from nothing and step up. You see enough man go foreign, them hustle, come back to Jamaica, set up them business, all of that. St. Vincent is not like that. If you go back there and say you're gonna do a business, I guarantee you're gonna have some problems from the system. And when I say the system, I'm telling you, the government. You understand? Now, there was a strip club there I heard over in some hotel that it was run by Storm and him friend them. And I spoke about that hotel, and they used to bring in human trafficking, the women them from other place to come and dance and sell Pussy. Let me repeat that again. There was one go-go club, and this go-go club, Montos, you understand? It was Storm, Bobby, and Sanga, and them of the go-go club. The police know about it, and them can't do anything. You see, by 6 o'clock, like me said, the whole place closed down. Now, let me explain something to you. Do y'all remember back in the days in Jamaica and Trinidad and other places when we used to use kerosene oil and kerosene oil stove, cause it was kerosene oil before gas, And then you have people who used to hustle kerosene oil, sell it cheaper, whether them go thief it or them get it. Well, let me tell you something about St. Vincent. You see the gas thing, because the lack of infrastructure when it comes to gas stations and say mini-mart stores is a big thing. The man them a sell gas like how them used to sell kerosene oil back in the days in Jamaica and Trinidad and other places. That's how the man them is living in St. Vincent. You see, gas thieving and all them thing there is a big thing in St. Vincent. So my thing is, Why is this country going backwards after 20 odd years of one person in power? Why can't these people achieve anything? Now, the ironic thing about this is that St. Vincent, their dollars is strong. We are stronger than Jamaica. It's stronger than Trinidad. You understand? Why are these people stuck in time? Why are these people not moving forward? And the answer is, it's the current government. Storm, him father friend them. The beehive. You understand? You see how quick Sanga get his papers, and I bet you anything Sanga is already making money wherever he is. It's the system. So when people hear me talk about St. Vincent, you understand? Listen, it really bothers me. And when a pussy come talk about he's tracking me, I'm gonna say this. Track your father big belly. And that's all me I tell you now. Track your father big belly. And the hotels them and stuff he's building, and there's nobody to put in them. Okay? Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I said I was gonna do a video on Tom, aka Foreman, but I end up doing this one. But Foreman, don't worry, your video coming. You understand? Jocelyn, you too. Shotty Mark, you too. See? I'm out.